All right, this is a Happi Time tricycle sold by Sears in the, my understanding is in the 50s. It makes sense because it's kind of the styling that was prevalent in the 50s. So it's rough, as you can see. It is extremely rusty. There's not a bit on it that is not rusty, save the rubber, which cannot be saved. Anyway, so very rusty. You can still see a hint of the different paint scheme that was on it. Some of the highlights are what used to be a chrome fender. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to save. I know I won't be able to save the chrome. It might get painted. Seat was cute. Highlights though, right there on the hub of the wheel, you can see an M turned sideways there. Stands for the Murray Company, I would imagine. Pardon me. There's a, as you can see probably, it says HT inside of a what looks like a clock face, Happy Time. There is a neat little, I believe it's really glass. I don't know if it's resin, but I believe it's glass. Little jewel slash faux brake light, parking light, tail light on the back. It's complete, and as I said, it's cute. This piece, there's a piece missing right here that should come out of this steering stem and grab onto this. It's missing currently, but it's on its way. The previous owner forgot to send that to me. But anyway, this is for Sadie Lloyd, and anyway, it's a project, but it's what I like to do, and hopefully she'll enjoy it once it's complete and pretty. All right, signing off. Later. So, as we complete the end of this video, I should probably explain. In the first part of the video, I mentioned this trike is for Sadie Lloyd. Sadie is my granddaughter. Now, Sadie at this time is only 14 months, and she's pretty small. And also, at this time, she does not have the trike yet. What we're doing is restoring this trike, and it's a surprise for her.
she won't be big enough to ride it until she's, possibly 6 months from now. So maybe around Christmas time, maybe her birthday. We'll see. We'll see how she grows and how fast she grows. So I am her grandfather. This trike was a lot of fun to do. It took a lot of patience, but I think the end product was worth the time and effort. So as you see, there's the white tassels and bell chosen by her beautiful grandmother, Heather. And this editing work was also done by my son Hinckley, who's very talented and awesome young man. Anyway, there you go. This trike is for Sadie. I hope you all liked the video, and especially I hope Sadie likes this trike when she sees it.